Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my welding channel here. Um, Today video guys gonna show you was recommended by me to change the clamp here. This is the Burger 300 amp clamp. I'm gonna change this out today. Um, I have this old one here of the welder, the titanium 125, and it was recommended to me to take this one off and upgrade it with a better one. This is 300 amp. I'm gonna put this one on. So guys, we got the old clamp here. So this is the old clamp here. We got let's zoom it a little bit. So this is the clamp here we got, and I'm gonna just cut this off and change this out to the better one. Don't know if I void the warranty by doing this, but change this one out. So I cut it off here, and I'm gonna measure it with I got this one here guys. So this one gonna go into this like this. So I'm gonna strip this a little bit. So stripping this is like stripping it, put it somewhere here, and then we're gonna strip this like right here. And guys, just be careful not to cut into the strand of the wire. Just the outer part you want to take off, and get it here. Thing out of it. Oh, to get it off. Yeah, get it off. And this wire is pretty thick. Yeah, it's thick enough wire. So I get it off, guys. Here it is. So we're gonna stick it in here, like so, and then we're gonna crush this. I'm gonna use my heavy hammer here, and I use this to crush it. Um, Let me get something to put it on. So I found a piece of wood here, guys. I'm gonna use to crush that thing on. Um, oh guys, I forgot to take off this piece here, this black piece, so I don't need it anymore. So this piece got to come off here, put over there. So put back this inside here. Crushing time. Put this. Gonna put this on here like so, and then I'm gonna crush this, guys. You know what? I'm gonna take off a little bit more of the outside here, not all the way, just to get it inside, so it can hold inside there, so I can get to do my crushing job. Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's better. So it's all the way inside there now. So let me crush this like this first. Okay, but I want to get it crushed more, so I know that it's, yeah, it's in there, guys. It's not going anywhere. So it's crushed inside here. Yep. So as you can see, guys, it's crushed. It's pinned inside here, not going anywhere. So now I'm gonna put some heat shrink over this piece here. Okay, that shrink. So I'm gonna take this piece off here. This piece off. I'm gonna feed this right through here, just like so. Gonna come up here, and then I'm gonna go right on top of that. Put the lock nut, lock washer, and then I'm gonna tighten this down all the way. So get an adjustable right here. I'm gonna tighten this thing all the way down, guys. I want this thing tight. Okay, I guess that's it. It's on theirs. Cut this label off. So guys, there you have it. New clamp on this thing to weld. So I'm gonna weld a few pipes now and see how it goes. So guys, as you can see, I changed out my ground clamp from this little cheapy one here to this guy. Very nice. You see, got a copper piece here, a ground between the two, so better grounds. Guys, that's one of my video changing this thing. And guys, I'm gonna do some welding, so I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. As always, subscribe, hit the like button. Peace out. God bless.